When we talk efficiency with the lead leg, one of the biggest things that we often see our athletes who come in with deficits in that lead leg stability is you'll watch that lead leg flex more as the foot comes in contact with the mound as they go through and near ball release. The problem with that is that it does have those upstream effects up the chain, and there's going to be compensatory strategies that have to be rattled off to allow that athlete to deliver the baseball. And a lot of times you think about what happens at the torso and at the shoulder, they're going to have to make up for that lack of stability early in that land phase of that delivery to be able to leverage it, get to that release point that they know that they have to have, and to be able to create their velocity. So they end up creating it late with structures that really aren't made to create that velocity. They're made to capture that energy to be able to translate it then into the baseball. And so when that's happening late, that's typically something that is a red flag for us.